In a world filled with uncertainties, having an unshakable faith can provide solace and hope. For believers, the notion of eternal security is a source of great comfort. It signifies an unbreakable bond between the believer and their divine Creator, ensuring that their faith remains steadfast amidst the trials and tribulations of life. This article explores the concept of unshakable faith and how it can be nurtured through love and devotion. Unshakable faith, the unbreakable bond between believer and eternal security. At the core of unshakable faith lies a profound belief in the eternal security of a believer. This unwavering conviction asserts that once someone genuinely accepts and embraces their faith, nothing can separate them from the love and grace of their Creator. It is a bond that transcends time, circumstances, and even death itself. The idea of eternal security is deeply rooted in the scriptures of various religions. Christianity, for instance, teaches that through faith in Jesus Christ, believers are granted the gift of eternal life. This assurance allows them to face life's challenges with unwavering confidence, knowing that regardless of the struggles they may encounter, their ultimate destiny is secure. To maintain this unbreakable bond between a believer and their eternal security, it is crucial to continuously nourish and strengthen one's faith. This can be achieved through prayer, meditation, and the study of sacred texts. By immersing themselves in the teachings of their faith, believers can deepen their understanding and connection to their divine source, reinforcing their unshakable faith. Guided by love, nurturing unshakable faith for an everlasting connection. Love serves as the guiding force in nurturing unshakable faith. It is through love that believers experience the true essence of their faith and develop an intimate relationship with their Creator. Love teaches them to extend compassion, forgiveness, and kindness to others, mirroring the divine love that they have received. Cultivating unshakable faith involves practicing love in every aspect of life. This means loving not only those who are easy to love, but also those who may have wronged us or hold differing beliefs. By doing so, believers demonstrate the depth of their faith and their commitment to the principles of love and unity. Love also plays a vital role in helping believers navigate through challenging times. When faced with adversity, the love that is deeply embedded within their hearts serves as an anchor, providing strength and resilience. This unwavering love empowers believers to face their trials head-on, knowing that they are never alone, and their eternal security remains intact. Unshakable faith is a precious gift that enables believers to navigate the intricacies of life with unwavering confidence and hope. It is a bond that assures them of their eternal security and provides solace even in the darkest of times. By nurturing their faith through love and devotion, believers can strengthen their connection to their divine Creator and experience the profound peace that comes from an unshakable faith.